Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an iconic performing arts center and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Sydney Opera House, Sydney Opera House, Sid, Ni, Op, Ra, House, Sydney Opera House. It is located in Sydney, Australia, right on the stunning Sydney Harbour, hosts more than 1,500 performances annually, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.